Making an animated character 2D using a skeleton 2D and polygons has some of the best and most beautiful results in Godot Engine, but it could take a very long time to do it. Fortunately, with this plugin you can speed up the rigging process by cloning the rigging data from one body part to another, which is especially good in those cases where we have a mirrored version of the same body part, for example, hands and arms, as well as legs and feet. You can do it with a very few clicks. Let me show you. Instructions. Select and copy the polygon 2D which you want to create a mirrored version. Then select and rename the new node. In the inspector, select a new texture, the one with the inverted body part. Open the UV editor. Click on the Bones button on the toolbar. Click on the Swap Vertices Edge button. It will swap the vertices horizontally. Move the UV data in order to match the corresponding UV texture. Go back to the Bone panel. You will have to migrate the bone weights from the original body part into the corresponding ones of the new body part. For that, click on the Form Segment switch that has the name of the bones that you want to move. Click on the To Segment switch that has the name of the bones that you want to add. This will move the weight data from the first selected bone to the second selected bone, from the From bone to the To bone. Click on the Move Bone Weights button. You can see the result by clicking on the radio button corresponding to the bone that you have moved the weight. See? You have to do the same with every single bone that has weight. That's it. Let me show you the results. As you can see, it's pretty easy to create a mirrored body part that is animation ready. This will help you to enhance your character development speed by a lot. Let me show you with the other body part, the arm one. That's it. The plugin also has these other functions. Swap vertices vertically with the Swap Vertices B button. Interchange vertices weights between bones with the Swap Bone Weights. And copy vertices weights from one bone to another without losing the weights from the first one with the Copy Bones Weight button. And that's it. If you have any question, please leave a comment on the comment section. You can also contact me on the support mail. Thank you very much and have a nice development. See ya.